In this video, we'll demonstrate how to print with UniPrint Infinity and UniPrint Client from a workstation. With this setup, UniPrint Client must be installed on a workstation, and it allows you to print to printers attached to your workstation as well as to network printers. To start, we'll connect to the application server through RDP. Then we'll open a Word document and select the UniPrint printer. We'll apply password protection to the UniPrint created PDF file. We'll also show you two methods to email and save your print jobs. The first way is through the application server, and the second way is through UniPrint Client, and we'll be demonstrating both these methods. We'll also demonstrate how to merge multiple PDF files into one PDF file. But before we start, let's see what happens to your print jobs after you click Print. First, an ICA or RDP session is started by logging into the application server. A license is then checked out from the license server. From an open application, you click Print. A PDF is generated on the application server and then transferred back to the workstation. UniPrint Client receives the PDF and instructs the appropriate printer driver on your workstation to create a RAW file. Since RAW files are printer model dependent, it is then transferred to the appropriate printer for printing. Now let's go to the Windows 7 workstation to log into the application server. First, ensure that UniPrint Client is installed and running on your workstation. The UniPrint icon is in the notification area and indicates that UniPrint Client is running. To start an RDP session, double-click Remote Desktop Connection. Enter the IP address of an application server and then click Connect. Open a document to print. Double-click lorem-ipsum.doc. To print this document, click the File tab. Click Print. UniPrint should already be selected since it has been set as the default printer. To change printer properties, click Printer Properties. To see the more advanced properties available, click the Advanced tab. We'll accept the default properties. Click OK. Click Print. The UniPrint viewer will launch since we set it as the default previewer in the UniPrint client. To print to the default printer set on your workstation, click Quick Print. To select a different printer, click Print. The Kyocera is the default printer for this workstation, but let's send this print job to the Lexmark printer instead. Click to select Lexmark T630, and then click Print. Lorem Ipsum has been sent to print at the Lexmark printer. As mentioned earlier, you can email and save your print jobs directly from the application server or through the UniPrint client. Let's go back to our session to demonstrate how to email and save directly from the application server. Close the UniPrint viewer. And let's print this again. From the File menu, click Print. From the printer list, select UniPrint Email PDF as your printer. Let's change some printer properties and add password protection to this print job. Click Printer Properties. Click the Advanced tab. I want to make sure that this document appears on the recipient's workstation exactly as I designed it. But I can't be sure that the recipient has the same fonts installed on their workstation that I have on my workstation. So let's select Full Font Embedding. This will embed all the fonts used in this document into the PDF file itself, which results in a larger file, but it ensures that the recipient sees what I see. Now let's add password protection. Click the PDF Security tab. Select Enable PDF Encryption. Enter and re-enter a password that the recipient needs in order to open the resulting PDF file. To restrict what can be done with the PDF file, enter and re-enter an owner's password. To allow the recipient to print this document, select Enable Printing of Document. I don't want to enter my passwords each and every time I print, so select Remember My Passwords. Click OK. Click OK again. Click Print. Enter in an email address, a message, and then click Send. But since this is only a demonstration, click Cancel. Now let's save our print job as a PDF file. From the File menu, click Print. Change the printer. Select UniPrint Save PDF. Change the printer properties. Click Printer Properties. Click the Advanced tab. Again, select Full Font Embedding. Click the PDF Security tab. Since we selected Remember My Password previously, we don't have to set it again. Click OK. Click Print. Let's save it to our desktop and change the file name. Click Save. Let's take a look at the saved PDF file. Minimize Word. Saving through the UniPrint Save PDF printer saves the print job as a PDF file in your session. Double-click lorem ipsum from appserver.pdf. Since we set password protection, we'll be prompted for the user open password. Enter the password and then click OK. And here's our saved print job. Now let's email and save through the UniPrint client. Go back to lorem ipsum and print it again. But this time, select UniPrint as your printer. You can change the exact same printer properties. Click Printer Properties. Click the Advanced tab. Select Full Font Embedding. Click the PDF Security tab. We're not going to add password protection to this document, so click OK. Click Print. This brings up the UniPrint viewer. To email this print job, click Email. To save it as a PDF file, click Save As. Let's save it to our desktop and give it a different name. Click Save. This print job will be saved to the desktop on our workstation. Minimize our session. And let's close UniPrint Viewer. Double-click lorem ipsum from upviewer.pdf. And here's our document. Close Adobe Reader. You can also merge multiple print jobs into one PDF file. Let's go back to our session. Print lorem ipsum again. If you want to, you can change printer properties again. But let's keep the properties as is. Click OK. Click Print. Minimize the UniPrint viewer and let's print a different document. Close lorem ipsum and open up Random Musings, and then print it. Random Musings should appear as a new tab in the UniPrint viewer. Let's close Random Musings and open another document. Open The Quick Brown Fox Jumped Over the Lazy Dog, and then print it. So now we have 3 tabs: Lorem Ipsum, Random Musings, and The Quick Brown Fox Jumped Over the Lazy Dog. To merge these 3 documents into one PDF, click Document Selection. We can change the order that they will be merged. Select The Quick Brown Fox Jumped Over the Lazy Dog, and then click the up arrow to move it up the list. Let's select All to merge all 3 documents. If you don't want to include lorem ipsum, then clear the checkbox beside it. But we want to include it, so select lorem ipsum again. And then click Merge All. And we'll save the merged document to our desktop and give it a name. Click Save. Minimize the session. And close UniPrint Viewer. Double-click our merged document, foxloremmusings.pdf. The Quick Brown Fox Jumps Over the Lazy Dog comes first, and then lorem ipsum, and finally Random Musings. So all the documents have been merged into one PDF and in the correct order. Close Adobe Reader. Thank you for watching this short video. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to contact us at support@uniprint.net.